Hi guys, good morning. Thank you so much for joining me today. I want to do 3 beautiful room decor for you. The first one is going to be a 3-piece heart-shaped wall decor. So what you'll need is the Dollar Tree poster board, some yarn, and you will also need some palm tree branches. If you don't have it, you can use different color yarn to get the same effect. You'll need your scissors, your glue gun, and your glue sticks. This is quick and easy, and I think it's absolutely beautiful, perfect for Mother's Day. This next room decor is going to be a Dollar Tree farmhouse tray. You will need a plate and a paintbrush, 2 acrylic paints. I'm going with the black and the white, but you can choose whatever color works best for your decor. Now, these trays does come into different styles. I'm going with the heart. I think it is perfect for Mother's Day. You'll need your glue gun, glue sticks, and a scissors. You will also need a knife to remove the backside of your tray, which is the handle. I'm going with my serrated knife. Now you will also need a liner for the center of your tray. You'll also need some yarn to outline your tray. next room decor is going to be a tassel wall hanging. You will need some yarn, you'll need the Dollar Tree skewer sticks, your glue gun, glue sticks, and your scissors. Very easy, inexpensive, functional, and beautiful. I think it is a perfect gift to give to a woman for Mother's Day. Now, you will need to wrap your skewer sticks with your yarn. For your tassel, you will need a board for measurement. You'll need some yarn. I'm going with pink, green, and white, but you can choose as many colors as you'd like. Thank you guys so much for spending this time with me. I hope you enjoyed our time together. If you did, give me a thumbs up and share the video with your family and friends. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I hope that you'll hit the subscribe button down below and become a part of our family. Don't forget to turn your notification bell on so you are notified every time I upload a new video. I truly appreciate your time, your comment, and your support. Leave me a message. Let me know what your thoughts are on these DIYs. All right, guys, thank you so much again, and I look forward to seeing you on my next DIY.